Don't you get affected by emotions? Can you be systematic and follow certain rules and conditions without getting flowed away by emotions? If you can maintain a particular strategy, if you can control your emotions and follow whatever I teach in the course, you can easily make your daily income from intraday trading. In fact, more than the income that you have been earning now, or you can earn. Intraday trading is really very good. There is no limitations to the income, but the only thing is you have to be systematic. You have to stick on to certain rules. You have to follow the patterns. You must be able to read the graph. You must know when to buy and when to sell. You mustn't get swayed away by emotions. You shouldn't get emotion. You shouldn't let your emotions control you, basically. So if you let your emotions control you, maybe you might get scared and you might book your profit very early, or you might hold your losses and make a huge amount of loss. You may keep your stop loss very far. You may not know exactly when to keep the stop loss, or always you might end up hitting the stop loss. So to control all of this, you must know the psychology of trading, and you must also have a consistency. You must maintain a system. You must maintain a you must follow exactly the knowledge, whatever knowledge that I will be giving you now. If you follow that, and if you stay systematic, if you're sticking to the rules and reading the graphs and following exactly whatever I tell, you will not lose your money. And in fact, you will earn more than what you have been earning now. And it is one of the best ways to make money. So you can work from, let me tell, you can work from any part of the world. Although there are many advantages to intraday trading. So basically, the term intraday means per day. You're earning daily, every day. Trading, and trading means buying and selling of the shares. So trading basically means you're buying the share and selling the share. So that is what intraday trading means. So I will be giving you the full course. This is the beginning of the course. If you haven't still made your Upstocks account, please go to the link in the description and make your Upstocks account immediately. Make your demat and a trading account as soon as possible, so that you can start trading. You can start buying the shares. So you definitely need a demat and a trading account. These are the only things you need to start working today. You don't need lots of equipment. You don't need heavy instruments. You just need a smartphone with a trading app. So just go and make. It is you can get it. It is one of the best platform to buy and sell the share, because it is simple to use. So just open the demat account, and if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe to. So now, what is intraday trading? So basically, intraday trading refers to the buying and selling of the stocks on the same day. So whatever you do happens in the same day. It is not, you don't hold your shares for long term and keep waiting for you to get profit. You don't wait for you to get lots of profit. You just get the profit immediately on the same day. So you're not waiting. Long term investment requires you to have patience. It is an option for saving the money. If you want to save money, you can go to long term. But intraday trading is not for saving the money. It is to earn the daily income by trading of shares. So if you have knowledge about the graph, how the graph will move, you can buy the share at the lower price on the same day and sell it at a higher price on the same day. So you can earn your daily income. And intraday trading, in intraday trading, you get leverage actually. So if you have 100 rupees, you can buy shares worth 1000 rupees. So you get a kind of loan because you're buying the share and selling on the same day. So you can buy 10 times more share. So the brokers give you this discount. So all that you can do. Even if you create an account from the description, you will get 10 times more leverage. So this will give you more profit. If you are systematic and following, it can increase your chances of profit without having a large capital. That is the initial investment. Without having large initial investment, you can do. So now, intraday trading refers to the buying and selling of the shares on the same day. It is done using online trading platforms that I just told you. You just need a mobile phone and an internet connection. So online you can trade from the trading platforms. So suppose a person buys a stock for a company. Like for example, he has bought a stock for a company. They have to specifically mention intraday in the portal of the platform, because you get leverage, as I told you. So there is an option called intraday. When you're buying the share, when you click on the buy option in your Upstocks or any trading platform, whatever you like, in any broker, if you click on the buy option, there will be intraday and delivery share. So click on the intraday, so that at the end of the day, the share will automatically get sold, and you will also get leverage in case of intraday. And you can do short selling, all that is possible. This enables the user to buy and sell the uh, shares on the same number of mention on same number of stocks of the same company on the same day before the market closes. So that's what you can buy the shares on the same day and sell them on the same day before the market closes. The purpose is earning profit through the movement of market indices. So the market will move up and down. Through that you earn your profit, and it is also referred to as day trading by many. So instead of calling it intraday, you can also call it as day trading. So basically you're trading in the day. Now stock market earns you great returns if you are a long-term investor. But even if you're a short-term investor, you can earn profits. Like even in short term, just per day on the daily basis, you can earn profits. Suppose the stock opens at 500 rupees in the morning. At the morning, as soon as the market opens, the stock is trading at 500 rupees. Soon it climbs to 550 within an hour or two. Maybe in 1 hour or 2 hours it has reached 550. If you had bought 1,000 shares in the morning, so suppose you bought 1,000 shares. So for 1,000 shares you will need 5,000, 50,000. You had 50,000 rupees, for example. In 50,000 you can buy 1,000 shares. As I told you, you get 10 times more shares. So you need the money of 100 shares. So 100 shares will cost you 5,000, 50,000. Okay, so it will cost you 50,000. And for buying 1,000 shares, it will cost you 50,000 because you're getting 10 times more share. You will get leverage. So if even if you had 50,000 rupees, you could have easily bought 1,000 shares. Now in the morning, you bought 1,000 shares and sold it at 550 rupees. You bought it for 550 rupees. You bought it at 500 rupees and sold it at 550 rupees. So you earned a profit of 50 rupees just in 1 or 2 hours. So in 2 hours, you made a profit of 50 rupees per share. So now per share it is 50. Then for 1,000 shares it is how much? 500, 5,000, 50,000. So easily you have earned more. 50,000 rupees of profit you have easily made all within few hours. So you have earned 50,000 rupees, which is not a joke, right? Earning 50,000 is not a joke. You cannot earn in any profession, you will not make so huge amount of money in a single day on the same day. So it is not a joke. So intraday trading is little hard. You have to work little hard because yes, if there is profit, there is a risk too. So you need to build your mindset. You must study. You must gain knowledge. So once you learn the course, you can easily understand the movement of the shares. Now, there are 5 things to know about intraday trading. So these 5 things should be known for intraday trading. What are the main 5 things? You must have a trading strategy. As I told you, you must have a strategy. You must have a plan when to buy and sell the shares. On what basis are you buying the share? There must be a basis, right? How will you understand when to buy, when to sell? So for that, you need technical analysis, which I'm going to teach you in the further courses. In the later videos of intraday trading, you will be learning of how to buy and sell the share. I will be giving you the strategy, but you must follow the strategy, right? Strategy anyone can give you. You will find lots of videos teaching you the strategy, but following it is your work. You have to stick on to the strategy to achieve success. So you need a trading strategy, and you must intraday trading obviously has high risk. You must understand that. You must stick to your strategy. That is one of the difficult part, and it is having high risk. There is definitely risk. The share can go down too. So you must maintain a stop loss. This risk can be controlled by having a stop loss. You must have stop loss set correctly. Then stock price impact. Sometimes the stock price, there is impact, like the buying and selling of the shares will get impacted. Like for example, when you buy a lot of shares, the share price will go up. So there will be a movement. So there is impact on the share price, stock price. Many there may be news, market news, different market conditions might impact the stock price. So you must learn how the stock price moves, all that. Now how to day trade. You must know how to day trade. That is the most important thing. On what basis you are buying and selling the shares. So you must have the knowledge of the day trading. Next is delivery versus intraday trading. So what is delivery and what is intraday trading? So delivery means you are buying and holding the shares into your demat account. But in case of intraday trading, you're not holding the shares in the demat account. It is just in your trading account and it gets sold at the end of the day. So that is what. So these 5 points are very important. You must know the difference between delivery and intraday trading. That is important. Why, I will tell you. In case of delivery, you need knowledge of fundamental analysis, but in intraday trading you don't have to know fundamental analysis. You don't have to study the company chart, files, all the technical very complicated terms are not involved in intraday trading. In intraday trading you just read the chart. You must just have the knowledge of chart. You don't have to study about what is the profit of the company, what is the loss, all that you don't have to study. All that is needed for delivery shares, for long term investment. So if you want to invest long term, like for example you want to invest in long term in electric vehicles, I'm just giving you feel that electric vehicles have a huge potential. You must know which battery company is good, which electric vehicle company is good, how are they selling, whether they have a good selling strategy, how is their business model, then what is the PE ratio, all that you must know about the company. There are various factors which you must know in the case of long term investment. But in intraday trading it is simple. You have to just see the chart. You can see the I can give you the chart, and you can look at the chart and immediately tell me that this company is good, this company is bad. So just by looking at the chart, you can tell if it is the right moment to buy or sell the share. So intraday trading is actually very simple in that terms. You don't have to study large number of things about the company. You can just, if you're doing it daily, no, if you just follow what I'm teaching and if you just start doing intraday trading on daily basis, it will become very simple for you. Initially, it will be hard. You might lose the money, but later stages, it's a very good opportunity. So you should not quit. You should learn. If you do mistakes, you must learn. So these are the 5 points which you must keep in mind. You must know why the share prices move. You must have a trading strategy. You must understand that there is high risk involved, so you must have a stop loss. So all that is. Then what are the advantages of intraday trading? So only a little capital is required by the trader, because you don't require huge amount of money to buy, because you will get 10 times leverage, as I told you. So little of capital investment is required, and today you buy shares of certain company and you're selling it today only, so you will get back your money tomorrow. When you're doing trading with some other company, you can use the same money that you had today. So you don't require, in case of long term investment, you cannot buy the shares of 5 companies. If you're buying the shares of 5 companies, you need large capital, because you're holding the share of different companies. You want to buy 1,000 shares of company A, 1,000 shares of company B, 1,000 shares of company C, 1,000 shares of company D. So in total, you're holding 4,000 shares. But here, the day today you're trading with a single company. Tomorrow you're trading with another company. So your money comes back to you after you sell the shares today. So you're not holding a capital. Your capital is not held by you, and you get even leverage. So that is also the reason why you need small capital. Like for example, if you have 1,000 rupees to trade, your 1,000 rupees is equivalent to 10,000 rupees, because 10 times more money they give you. In intraday trading, the shares are 10 times 10% cheap. What is it? You get 10 times more shares. So that is the reason why only small capital is required, and the investor can leverage the capital to earn maximum profit. So that is one of the point. You get leverage, as I told you. So if you have 1,000 rupees, it is equivalent to 10,000 rupees. If you have 10,000 rupees, it is equivalent to 1 lakh rupees. So the brokers give you the leverage. So investor can get leverage of the capital. And next is, it eliminates overnight risk of the stock. So maybe overnight, today you bought the share, and in today night, maybe you heard a news that the petrol price, or any some news you might have heard, that corona. Overnight, you heard of corona because COVID. You know COVID. Overnight, the news came that there is a virus called COVID and there will be a lockdown. Overnight, today night, there is a news called about COVID. So that will put down the share prices, right? The stock market will fall. So whatever shares you have invested in long term, you will lose your money. Obviously, you will lose all your money, because overnight the share prices have fallen. You cannot sell the shares at that time. But at the morning, as soon as the share market opens, you will find that the share prices have fallen down. The market will start from down. So that is one of the main risk in long term investment. But in intraday, that doesn't happen. So you're, because you're trading in a single day and just for a few hours and you're monitoring the shares. So then you will not have chance of losing so much of money. You will not lose lot of money because of market news. Any bad news occurring in the market will not affect your price so much. You will not lose so much of money. What are the disadvantages of intraday trading? So obviously, if there are advantages, there are disadvantages too. So what are the disadvantages? There are no long-term capital investments. So you're not investing long-term. So obviously, then the use of leverage can result in more losses. So because you're getting 10 times more leverage, maybe you might lose more money. So more than you expect. 10 times more money you can also lose, right? If you're getting 10 times more profit, obviously you will get 10 times more loss too. So you have to see the other side of the coin too, right? So if there is 10 times more profit, there will definitely be 10 times more loss too. But yes, so that is one disadvantage, and it requires constant attention. As the trader, trades end by end of the day, as the trade ends by the end of the day. So because the trades will get closed at the end of the day, the shares will get sold automatically at the end of the day. You need constant attention. You have to keep monitoring the share prices. You cannot leave the computer screen and go. So you have to monitor the graph constantly. So whatever I'm teaching in the later videos, how to monitor the graph, you have to keep monitoring the graph. You cannot leave the computer screen and go roam outside. You cannot. It's not like long term that you bought the shares today and after 3 years you will look at the share and you will find they have given you profit. All that doesn't happen in intraday trading. You have to keep monitoring the share, because it is a kind of work, daily work. You're working in the share market by trading. So here you have to be consistent. You have to look at the computer screen and you have to keep monitoring. So if you don't monitor it, maybe the share price goes down and you don't see, there may be a pattern. The graph might tell it is going to change its direction. Anything can happen, or there may be a part to sell the share. You may realize that it is the time to sell the share and you didn't sell the share, and your share price has gone up and started falling again. So all that can happen. So you must be able to sell at the right time, right? So to find the right time, you have to keep monitoring. You cannot just leave the computer screen and go somewhere. So that is one of the disadvantages that you have to keep monitoring. It is not a disadvantage basically, but yes. So now you have understood what is intraday trading. You understood the advantages. You have understood that how good it is as a source of income. You can also consider intraday trading as one of the option to work. So it is very good. You can consider intraday trading, and learning it is you have to build your knowledge. So that is one of the most important thing. And I'm giving you the course for free. So first thing is just go make your Demat account from the description. At least do that. That is the first step you do. And I want to help everybody to learn the course. So just follow all the videos properly in order and learn everything in detail. So thank you. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.